Welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we'll begin with a quick review of what we covered previously. Then we'll explore new tools in CapCut and learn how to animate the graphic layers I prepared earlier. You can download the project file to follow along step by step. Here I have a folder named Shot 1. I'll drag it into my new CapCut project. Then I'll click the Workspace icon to reset the layout to the default view. Next, import the background image. Select ratio and set it to 16:9, which is the standard widescreen format. Now under Video, go to Basic and increase the scale to fill the frame. Notice that the recently added background shows a small label, while the others don't. This simply means those layers are not in the timeline yet. Now drag them in one by one. We have the shadow, light layer, microphone, camera, and finally the laptop should be the topmost layer. Let's manipulate some elements. Select the light graphic. A small rotation handle appears. You can rotate it manually or adjust rotation through the Properties panel. Do the same for the microphone. If you need to center an object, guides can help. Click the three-line menu, go to the Guides and Rulers. Enable horizontal and vertical guides. Now we can clearly see the center of the canvas. You can also toggle rulers, similar to the Photoshop, to drag guides wherever needed. Let's turn the guides off for now. Select the laptop layer and go to the Animation tab. Choose a preset, for example, Zoom, and set the duration to 1 second. Feel free to shorten it if you want a faster animation. Repeat the same for the shadow layer. Again, set the duration to about 1 second. For the remaining layers, light, mic, and camera, choose the slide up animation. Set each to 1 second. Now right-click on the layer that has the animation. Choose Copy Attributes. The shortcut is Ctrl+Shift and C. Now hold Ctrl to select the other layers that need the same animation. Then press Paste. Then press Paste with Ctrl+Shift and V. Disable all options except animation to avoid copying unwanted changes. Now move these layers slightly forward in the timeline to create a subtle staggered motion. If you want to change animations later, you can go to the Animation tab. Animation tab again. For example, replace zoom with a slide down. Adjust timing so the laptop blends first. And then the other elements pop in, creating more interesting motion. Preview to compare the two versions. Let's explore another method using combo animations. This is actually a loop animations. Reset animation by choosing none. We'll begin with laptop and shadow. Apply full spin to both and set their durations. Shift the shadow slider forward to create a small delay. Now select the remaining 3 layers and apply zoom. Copy and paste animations attributes again using Ctrl Shift and C, and for paste use Ctrl Shift and B. You can add small delays between layers to enhance the emotion. The beauty of combo presets is that they animate the entire layer automatically from beginning to end. However, you can always find tone by adjusting the in and out timing manually. You can now begin to combine preset types in, out, and combo to create more engaging animations. I'll pause the video here and see you in the next lesson.